Mister is not happy about the storm, are you? It's raining buckets and buckets. And we have lightning and thunder as well, don't we, Tuffy? Oh, yeah, I know, sweetheart. You're going to hide. Yeah, you're being very brave, but I don't think you like the noise of the rain on that door, do you? Hey? Are you waiting for the next... Oh! See that flash of thunder, Tuffy? You're going to be brave when the thunder comes. There's a flash of lightning in now. Oh, sweetie pie. I know it's okay. I know, I saw the lightning and then the thunder. I know, and the rain, listen. What are we going to do about the storm, Tuffy? You and me huddle up in that blanket till it finishes. Hey, I know it's proper thunder, isn't it? Is the sky angry, Tuffy? Are the clouds angry? You're not sure about the rain noise, are you? It's very heavy rain, Tuffy, isn't it? There was even hailstorm earlier. Hey? It's alright, Mummy's here, it's okay. I know it's okay. I know, nobody likes a storm, Tuffy, especially not bunnies. Hey, Mummy gonna sit here next to you? Yeah, I know. I know, Tuffy, I know. You're gonna be brave, Tuffy. You're gonna be brave when the thunder comes. Oh, I know. That is proper thunder, isn't it, Tuff? I know, it's okay, Mummy's here. I know, you want to go hide? You want to go hide from the thunder under the sofa? Yeah, alright then, you go hide, I'll sit here. You can hide, I'll wait here. You want to hide? You're going to stay with Mummy? Yeah, I know. I know, sweetie pie, I know. I know. Are you going to be brave and go to the door? Are you going to be really brave? What about when the lightning comes? What are you going to do when the lightning strikes, Tuffy? Oh, you're going to keep watch? Are you keeping watch, are you? Are you keeping watch, Tuffy? You're going to guard the house, are you? Oh, sweetheart. You're very brave guarding the house from the thunder. You're very brave guarding it, aren't you? You are. You're very brave. Good boy.